Let me tell you a simple story. At a Ritz Continental hotel, a maintenance engineer was doing his job, changing light bulbs in a hallway. As he stood on a ladder, he noticed that a mother was walking back from the pool with two young children. Her hands were full with towels, toys, and bags, and she struggled to reach for her room keys. This engineer climbed down from the ladder, took the load from her hands, guided her to the room, and left only after the children were settled and comfortable. No one asked him to do this. There was no SOP for this, and it was not in his JD. The hotel leadership asked him as to why he did what he did, and he answered, and his answer was very powerful. He said, "My function is to change light bulbs and other jobs, but my purpose is to create meaningful experiences for guests." This one sentence captures a massive leadership lesson. Most organizations are very clear about function, roles, KPIs, processes, dashboards, but few are equally clear about purpose. What work, why work exists in the first place, who is it meant to serve, and how every role contributes to that experience. When people understand function, they do exactly what's required of them, nothing more. But when people really understand purpose, they use their judgment and they take ownership. They act like leaders, regardless of their title. Purpose is what makes people step off the ladder. So, if you're a leader, the question is this: do your people know only about what is expected, or do they truly understand why they do what they do? Because at the end of the day, culture is not built by functions, it's built by purpose. Hi, this is Suman. Thanks for watching.